Good everybody, welcome to today's video. I got my 2013 Triumph Explorer, and I am going to do an oil change at it. I just got the garage door open a little bit because we got to start it up. Let it run for a few minutes, and then we'll start draining the oil. Let's get the bike started. I see it's still in gear. We don't want that to happen. Alright, that'll be enough. I just want to roll it ahead just a little bit. Now comes the fun part. Getting the big kickstand. There. Because you got to put it up with the kickstand, change the oil. So now we're going to drain the oil. It is an 8mm, and I'm going to show you underneath. If you can see right there. That's what we're after. Got our drain pan handy. There we go. Cracked it free. Get this oil drained. Actually, before I drain the oil, I want to show you right there in the sight glass. There's a sight glass on the side in case if you ever want to check your oil level. I'm just gonna pop this out. Oil doesn't look too bad at all, actually. So I got the drain plug right there, and we're going to swap out the crush washer, and it's 25 Nm. Or that's about 18.4 foot-pounds that we're going to torque it down to. Drain plug with new crush washer. Spin that up by hand. And tighten it. Now we're going to torque it, and there we go. 25 Mn, 18.4 foot-pounds. That is done. Wipe off a little bit of the oil. Now we're going to do the filter. And there is our oil filter. Right there, dug in the side of the engine. Pull that filter off. I'm going to use my pink snap-on ratchet and this oil filter wrench, which works awesome. Grab anything else that's like electrical around it. Luckily for me, it's not on there that's tight, so now we're just gonna adjust that as it's coming out. Making a mess. Got the new AMSOIL filter. I'm just gonna put a coat of oil on that rubber. I'm just gonna wipe that up a little bit. As such. Then you just hand tighten these filters there. Takes 4 liters of oil, and I got some 10W40 AMSOIL metric. Yeah, you can see in the sight glass, there's no oil. So you definitely don't want to try to start it. But we have our fill right there. There was an O-ring that stayed in there, but as you can see, I took it out. So funnel really doesn't fit that well, so I just gotta hold it. Bottle number 2. This is bottle number 3. Last one. Now, don't forget to put your fill plug back in and make sure the O-ring is on it. There. As always, make sure you recycle your oil in a responsible manner. I'm going to start her up. Make sure the oil light goes out. Well, the oil pressure flashed for a second. Now I know I got my own oil. If you can see, we are right where we need to be. And that's how you change your oil in your Triumph Explorer adventure bike. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.